Picture this. The sun is rising. The world is still quiet. And while most people are hitting snooze, a small group is already up, moving, thinking, creating. Ever wonder why they're ahead? It's not magic. It's not luck. It's their morning routine. And today, I'll show you how you can build one that turns your mornings and your life into a launchpad for success. Successful people don't just wake up early. They wake up with purpose. Think about it. Athletes, CEOs, creators, they're all playing the same 24-hour game as you and me. The difference? How they start the first hour. That hour sets the tone for everything else. Here's the secret. They rise before the noise begins. No emails, no scrolling. Just calm. They plan, reflect, and move at their own pace. This isn't about punishment or 4:30 a.m. alarms. It's about reclaiming control. They also prime their minds and bodies. Some journal to clear mental clutter. Some meditate to find focus. Others get their blood pumping with a quick workout. These practices aren't random. They're proven to spark creativity, improve resilience, and fuel confidence. And they fuel up for real. A healthy breakfast, a glass of water, a clear plan for the day. They don't leave their day to chance. They decide what matters most before the world starts making demands. So, how can you do it? First, wake up just 30 minutes earlier tomorrow. Not 2 hours, just 30 minutes. Second, pick one mind-body practice. Stretch, meditate, or write down 3 things you're grateful for. Third, spend 5 minutes listing your top 3 priorities for the day. That's it. 3 simple steps to transform your mornings. Now, imagine this. While everyone else is scrambling for a coffee, you're already centered, focused, and energized. Your day feels lighter, calmer, and somehow under your control. That's not a dream. That's the power of an intentional morning. And if you're thinking, I'm not a morning person, listen. You don't have to wake up at dawn like a Navy SEAL. Start where you are. Even 15 minutes of intentional time before the noise hits can completely shift your mindset. The key isn't perfection. If this resonated with you, hit that like button. Share this video with someone chasing big goals, and subscribe so you never miss your weekly dose of motivation. Because how you start your day is how you shape your life. Craft your mornings with purpose, and watch the rest of your life rise to meet you.